When navigating through grids and screens, it is often faster to use keyboard shortcuts instead of the mouse. Spire performs many standard processes with function and other keys, including some shortcuts uniquely available to Spire in specific areas. Some keyboard shortcuts can be used from the main Spire window, before editing a record or creating a transaction. The Alt key will activate the top menu, where each selection will be identified with a different letter. Pressing that letter key will open that menu, and many choices within are also tagged so that you can open that module or list screen or procedure. When a grid has the focus, the up or down cursor keys can highlight the next row. Page up or down keys can move between pages. The N key takes you to the bottom of the list, or the Home key takes you to the top. The Enter key will edit the record for the highlighted row in the grid. And depending on the type of window you have opened, either the Alt F4 combination or the Escape key will close the window. There are other available function keys for use in this area. The F1 key will open the online manual topic in your internet browser with context sensitivity from where you launched it. The F10 key will open a screen and let you change the location, warehouse, and division values for transactions, and the sales till if you use these. On windows where buttons are visible and one has an outline, pressing the Enter key will act as if you had clicked that button. If you choose to proceed, this will automatically close any windows you have open, including the active module grid list. And the F12 key will log you out of the company data and reopen the sign-on screen, perhaps to let you log in as a different user. Some shortcut keys are particular to when you have an entry form window open. The Tab key will move the object focus to the next field in the predefined sequence, and the Shift-Tab combination will move the focus back to the previous field. When the field with the focus has a magnifying glass icon, whether or not you type anything into the field, the F9 key will open the respective list screen, with any field contents in the search box to assist with locating the desired choice. When the field having focus is a drop-down field, the down or up cursor keys will scroll through the various values. And if you know which value you want, typing the first letter will automatically pick it. Some shortcut keys are only available when entering a sales order or similar record type. The F7 key will toggle between the main and sales history tabs of a sales order, allowing you quick access to either screen. When the focus is on the detail grid for sales or purchase orders, the up or down cursor keys will highlight different rows. The Tab or Shift-Tab keys can take you right or left within the highlighted row to edit values for that item. And when the last item is highlighted, the Enter key will create a new detail underneath. Or if the last blank row is highlighted, Enter will open a new comment window. There are other available function keys for use in sales orders or point-of-sales transactions. The F6 key will toggle between the point-of-sale and sales order windows, if point-of-sale is open, or simply close the window if it's only a sales order. The F5 key will open the invoice screen with the ability to enter a payment. Point of sale uses the F3 key to select or edit the customer, the F4 key to add or edit the highlighted item, the F7 key to add or edit a comment, and the F9 key to edit or select a new inventory item. And the F2 key will clear the contents of the order and start again from scratch. If you would like more information about Spire Accounting, access the link in the description below to our homepage. Read the online manual help for additional assistance. Watch more videos from this playlist, and subscribe to the Spire YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.